What's up everybody, here we are back again with another video. This is Rakesh from Popingo, and in this video I'm going to show you an interesting trick in Photoshop that enables you to change any icon colors to the color of your choice, be it black, white or any color you choose. So what makes us wait? Let's jump in. This trick works on all images. It does not matter whether it's an icon that has only one color to it or if it's a logo that has multiple colors. After you learn this trick, you will be able to change the color of an image to the color of your choice. For demonstration, we have our channel logo as an example. I feel this is the best example because we have multiple colors in our logo. So in order to change the color, you will have to double click on the layer. That will take you to the layer style, or you can also do the same by going to layer and click on layer style and then go to color overlay. So this brings us to the color overlay. From here you can select the blend color to the color of your choice. By doing so, as you can already see, the color of the image has been changed. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something new today. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button, and if you want to see more such videos, subscribe to our channel. Have a good learning experience. See ya.